fellow travelers, welcome back to Cruis'n with Chrissy. So today we're at Pirates Cove on MSC Seascape. Today's a port day, but we've been to a lot of these ports before, so we just decided to do the Waterpark on board. So come along with us as we take on some water slides and the rope course. So we are in
the top of the Adventure Trail.
Adventure Trails. So here we go. Ooh.
My flip-flop stuck.
Oh, this one has a foot pad to stand on.
But they kind of chase people off the cliff wall.
Don't stand on that one.
Don't stand on that one.
So that was fun, but we came up to try to do the water slides. We don't know how to get to it. There's the sports court. You gotta go up higher.
Yeah, no shit. You want to tell me how to do it?
It's a nice view of Cozumel. We're going to go out and explore a little bit later.
Yeah, I guess we're in till 7. The attention to detail on this little water park reminds me a lot of Great Wolf Lodge. For any of you that have been there, well, that was interesting. What happened? Oh no. Here comes the big drop. Freaking chlorine the brain.
So prior to getting on the slides, we did have to sign a waiver, and that we also received green wristbands to wear. That is at the base of the slides, or where the little pool area is where the attendant will stay. So another pro tip would be, if you have been to a port before, you really aren't that enthused about it or want to do an excursion, just stay on board. The ship is empty, and you can do the Waterpark or different options of the ship, take advantage of the spa, and have a little peace and quiet to yourself, a little lap of luxury while on board. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button, because we have lots more Cruis'n with Chrissy travels coming your way.
And we sure would appreciate it.